Benny the Beaver woke up early, ready to create something special in his cozy woodworking workshop. He gathered his tools and set out to build a beautiful birdhouse, wanting to gift it to his feathered friends. As he sawed and hammered away, Benny realized he needed help, so he invited Sammy the squirrel and Ellie the elephant to join him. Together, they painted the birdhouse in bright colors and decorated it with sparkly stickers. When it was finished, they hung it on a big oak tree, excited to see which birds would come to visit and make their new home.